कळंगूट कांदोळी हडफड्या पर्रा आणि नागोवाच्या आदले ओडीपी करताना तातूंत मुद्दम कांय चुक्यो केल्यात। हाचो फायदो गुंतवणूक करप्यांक मेळचो म्हूण ह्या जाणून बुजून चुकी केल्यात असो आरोप टीसीपी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हाणें केला। मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हाणें आयज टीसीपी समितीची बसका घेवन ह्या समितीन सोदिल्ले आदल्या ओडीपीच्या चुकांविशीं पत्रकारांक म्हायती दिली। टीसीपीचो हो समिती 27 एप्रिलाक स्थापन केल्ली। ह्या समितीचो अभ्यास अजूनय सुरू असून ह्या समिती कडल्यान आदल्या ओडीपींक रद्द करपा विशीं येवपी अहवालाक ह्या पावसाळी अधिवेशना पयलीं सरकाराची मंजुरी घेतलो अशें विश्वजितान म्हणलां।
It has been observed that there was no proper vision document while preparing these ODPs. There was no proper vision application of mine that was put in place, but this is, I will go step by step. Policy documents should have been prepared defining the objectives and goals to be achieved, the horizon period of these ODPs. Although several objections, suggestions were received, a fixed criteria was not adopted by the subcommittee nor authority in deciding such objections, suggestions of the ODPs. Parameters pertaining to infrastructure availability in terms of accessibility to plots, density, locational aspects, etc. were not looked into satisfactorily while allocating zoning to the properties. Zoning of the area should have been decided by assessing the potentiality of the particular area in relation to the available proposed road network, availability of services such as water supply, sewerage, electricity, garbage disposal, etc. Now you have to also understand that several committee observed that several eco-sensitive areas such as paddy field, tenanted lands, no development scores have been changed to settlement and other developable zones. During the preparation of the Calangute ODP, Parra, Raghav observed that settlements earmarked for the under rural RPG 21 हे जे पळय एक लक्षात घ्या तुम्ही हे RPG 21 जे कितें सेटलमेंट एंड ते कितें आशिल्ले ते ओडीपी करतना काही लोकांनी ते रिमूव केले. They have been removed from certain preparatory should have been retained and reasons for them should have been cited, but once when we adopt RP 21, that's the base plan. You cannot revert or do what you want at your own whims and fancies. Even 3 meters internal roads and lanes have been reflected on the ODP, which has led to several objections being raised by affected parties. Therefore, reflecting such internal 3 meters should have been avoided. Width of main roads, including the major district road (MDR), has been reduced from 25 meters to 15 meters to suit in किने जायते तशे केल्ले आसा जेचो अथॉरिटी कडे पावर ना ते करपाक, which appeared to have been done mainly due to accommodate certain unauthorized road extensions carried out to existing structures. हेच्या खातीर हे सगळे गोष्टी केल्ले गेले अशे कमिटीक दिसता. Considering the overall policy adopted, planning policy adopted authority during ODP, the committee's findings are under no major planning exercise was undertaken while preparing the ODP.